Hello, guy. Wait, am I muted? Alright, hello, guys. I am in. Where am I at? I'm in Animal Rivals today, and today we're gonna be a little bit devious, if you know what I mean. Alright, so we're gonna go into a public lobby as of right now, and we're just gonna cook some people up. Let's go!
I'm recording. Alright, who wants to fight you?
Please.
No one wants to fight you.
Then I might find some
No one
toxic
likes you.
players.
Would I go against you?
Alright,
Yeah, I know. I finally
You
got it.
don't do this fight.
Two.
Don't
Don't lie. Stop lying, bro. They're not gonna win.
You just say one thing.
I met John Wick.
John Wick, bro.
Yeah, in my last lobby. Are you his dog?
Are you his dog?
Bye bye.
Yes. Oh, damn, bro.
Woof, woof, boof, boof.
Dude, imagine
Nah.
being scared of Apex.
No, Nathan, get out! Nathan, get out! Nathan, get out!
Something. Yo, guys, something
Did bro just say,
crazy.
no, nigga, get out! Did bro seriously just say that? Nah, that's crazy.
Bro, why does...
No,
oh!
I'm just copying somebody
Let's
who
go.
said that, bro.
Oh my god. Something I hate about being a high
He's
rank
on
is
another
no one
level.
wants to battle you.
I think he is.
Who watches Animal
No,
Rivals YouTubers?
because
to be
he
honest?
does
Yeah,
way
it's
more like wide
Honestly,
open.
man.
Just
Let's fuck with you
that.
guys. You guys are fucking.
Yo, alright. Alright.
What's up, guys?
Nah, this is easy.
Alright, yo, bro. Alright, come on, let's go.
Match
Yo,
started.
teammate. Do you think you can deal with the other guy and I'll deal with the King Pong?
Round starting.
So why are we double teaming, bro? Why are we double?
What do you mean double teaming?
Your teammate literally hopped behind you as soon as he saw
Well,
me
that's
right
my
there.
bad. I don't want him
Literally
to double
behind
team
me.
you.
I got straight up me and I straight in my back, bro. What?
Teammate, please take him out. Please. I took a.
I don't know
I
that.
want. Teammate. Thank you, teammate.
What's up,
Yo,
bro?
you cannot be Apex using a pump. Oh my god, you fucking suck.
All right, come on, bro. Let's go.
Round starting.
Yo, I can't be standing still, bro. Being cocky in this style, bro.
Shit. Fuck.
Standing up.
Oh my.
Jesus Christ.
Round starting.
Teammate. Yeah, don't go easy on me, little bro. Alright. Yo, teammate. Thanks. I guess thank you.
Round starting.
Oh, shoot. Got stuck. Yo, teammate, that's my bad. That's completely other not my bad. Okay. Spamming. Come on now. Yo, teammate, lock in, please.
Round starting.
Yeah, I'm cooked.
Put the revolver down, bro. You're not me.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
You literally were not using revolver. You're using deagle. You're using deagle, grapple hook, SMG.
I can use what I want.
As soon as I started using it, you're like,
I can use what I want.
They're gonna double team. Look at you. double teaming. Find above. Above.
Oh my god.
No, here we go.
Spamming? Come on now.
Try, bro. Using
Alright, bet.
Round starting.
You can spam, I can too. You can spam, I can too.
Get your big sword. You know you lost.
Cause y'all wanna spam? Really? I think it's just cause your skill
Round
issue. Come on,
starting.
teammate.
Stay above and then just. 109.
Imagine using rocket launcher.
Imagine using big
Weirdo.
sword, you fucking there. Little nigger. Oh, I said it.
Y'all also.
You guys actually suck. Using pump shotgun and using fucking big sword. I'm lost.
Yeah, cause you wanna spam. You too.
Yeah, pump shotgun is crazy. I could never beat Apex using pump also. Fucking god. You actually both suck.
I know you can't be saying none. You can't say none. You suck. Bro, you saw it from my camera.
Every single time I went against you, bro, I just shit on you every single time. You can't handle my fucking movement. You literally just whipped everything.
Your movement?
Yes.
Staying above ground? No.
Fucking suck.
I suck.
Yes, why? Your big sword. No, the last round.
Oh, cause you wanna spam SMG, huh? You're gonna call this skill? So you're gonna tell me doing this is skill?
At what point do I refer to that as skill?
Is it?
I said you couldn't
Is it
handle my
skill?
movement. I fucking lost. I never said it was skill.
So is this a skill-based weapon or not?
At what point did I say it's skill?
Is this a skill-based weapon or not?
At what point did I say it?
But is it?
It can be whatever. You're using big sword.
Yeah, cause you wanna spam too much.
It's in the game. It's automatic. Why would I use like a shitty like DMR or some shit? It's semi-automatic and it's
Yes,
spraying guns.
get better. Talk about a toxic woman. Alright, guys.
No,
let's
you're
take
not
it.
on me.
Apex King. Sniper only. Sniper only. Actually, no, go ahead. I'm going.
Alright, guys, that was a toxic player.
You won.
Alright, and I think we're back on.
Bye.
I won, brother.
Then he has the will to say I suck. Since they're rank, I'm not gonna XP for them. I'm just gonna use
It's fun. I'm trying.
Alright, we go.
Match starting.
Alright, yo teammate, alright, we might be cooked.
Round starting. Round starting.
Imagine spamming. You got him, teammate. He just. By the way, guys, I'm only using one gun. Alright,
Round starting.
your butter chicken? Alright, dang it. Not really good with pistol. But... Yo, teammate, can you not use shotgun, bro? Please. It's just a no-skill weapon. Just don't use shotgun, please.
I'm trying to save up. I'm only using this so I can
Round
get
starting.
Fine, I'll stop. Literally just a placeholder at the moment. Or
It's just a like unfair, kinda.
it's currently a placeholder for sniper because I'm saving up.
You know how hard it? Well, sniper costs a lot
Round
to
starting.
get.
Yeah, I need
I promised I'm only using. What's the name?
Yo, if
Yeah.
you really want me to, I will.
Bro,
I'm gonna try
Round
that.
starting.
Nah, bro. I'm at.
okay, come on. Weave. Alright. Alright, let's go.
Round starting.
Now I
Yo,
have.
these guys.
Yo, teammate, thank you for not using shotgun just because. Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Yes, this is
Just to not I wasn't executing you guys. I was just trying to give them a little fair chance, but just
You are not tough.
You are not tough. You are not tough.
Sniper, it's fine.
You are not tough.
We only have 12 slots. Well,
Nobody
wait.
in this lobby is. Oh no.
Yo, am I a grinder on my sniper?
No,
Alright, guys, hold
I'm
on.
a grinder on my.
Like,
Wait, what?
Yeah,
I can see that now. Perfectly fine.
playing on Meta Quest 1 right now with that little
Alright, guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. I think this is where I'm gonna end the video at, cause I'm gonna have to go to the store, so I guess bye. I will be making way more content on this game. And if y'all want me to play a game, as I told you, leave it down in the comments. Thank you a lot for watching, and I'm still not at 10 subscribers yet, but hey, it's up to y'all, not me. Well, thank everybody for watching, and goodbye. G-Tag God.